Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to your maths class. In the last class, we had studied the types of triangles based on sides and based on angles. Let us continue this chapter. Today, we'll learn something new. Have you seen these two instruments in your geometry box, children? Yes, you have seen it. See the first type of triangle? What type of triangle is it, children? It's forming 90 degree, that you all know. You can see in the figure it is forming 90 degree. But check the measures of the sides of the triangle using your ruler. See the measure of the bigger set square using your ruler. You will find that all the three sides are different. What you will find? All the three sides different. So, but it's 90 degree, children. But all the sides are different. In the previous class, we had studied types of triangle. When all the sides are different, we call it as which type of triangle? Yes, we call it as Scalene Triangle. Here in the set square, it is forming 90 degree also. So this type of triangle is known as Scalene Right Angle Triangle because it's forming 90 degree and all the three sides are different. So this type of triangle is known as Scalene Right Angle Triangle. Now you can see the next figure also, the smaller one set square. Check the measures with your ruler. You will come to know two sides are equal and one is different. But though it is forming a 90 degree, so this type of triangle we will call it as Isosceles Right Angle Triangle. Is it clear, children? So the bigger set square, it is known as Scalene Right Angle Triangle, and the smaller set square, we call it as Isosceles Right Angle Triangle. Okay, now let us learn the properties of triangle. We are learning the first property now. We have learned to construct a triangle in your previous class, children, using a protractor, compass, scale and a pencil. So just find out the measure of each angle provided to you in a given figure, that is the given triangle. You can see my slide, children. In the given triangle, you have to use a protractor and find the measures of angle. Okay. Here I have drawn a triangle and using protractor, I am finding the measures of angles of triangle. Now, so the triangle here formed is triangle LMN. I need to find the measures of angles of triangles. So, with my protractor, I am finding it out. So, my measure of angle L, that is, I have mentioned here is 80 degree. You can see it on my screen. Then the measure of angle M. The measure of angle M, I have kept my protractor here to measure the angle of M, that is 60 degree. You can see on the in the second figure. Now the measure of angle N, I have kept the protractor in the third figure. You can see that is 40 degree. So angle L is 80 degree, angle M is 60 degree and angle N is 40 degree. I guess you all know to name the angles of triangle. We have learned it in previous class. How to name the angles of triangles? Yes, I know you all know that. You can name the angle as NLM or LMN or MNL. Anyhow. Okay, children? So here now we found out the measures of angles of triangle as 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. Now there is a rule that is speaking when we take the sum of all the three angles of triangle and if it is 180 degree, then this is a triangle. Okay, children? So which is the first property? The sum of the measures of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So here if you will add 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree, you will get the answer as 180 degree. There is no such triangle whose measure is less than 180 degree or more than 180 degree. It should always be 180 degree. So this is the property we have learned today. The sum of the measures of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Is it clear, children? This is the first property. Likewise, we also have to find the proof of another rule. There is a second property which we are learning here. Now we have learnt about the angles, that is 180 degree. We have rules for sides as well. Now what is that rule? The rule is given: the sum of length of any two sides of triangle is greater than the length of the third side. I'll repeat it one more time for you. The sum of length of any two sides of triangle is greater than the length of third side. Just understand it better using examples. Okay. Now here I have drawn a triangle ABC. You can see it on my screen, children. I have drawn a table for you all. The length of first side, length of the second side, length of the third side, sum of the length of any two sides, and in the last we are comparing the sum of the length of any two sides to the length of the third side. Now anyhow you can take any two sides of a triangle. The rule says it's greater than the length of the third side. It is up to you. You can take any two sides of a triangle, but it will be greater than the third side. Now let us see. Here I have taken the length of first side as length AB is 8 cm, length AC is 7 cm, and length BC is 6 cm. Okay. Now in the sum of the length of any two sides, first I have added 8 plus 7. How much is 8 plus 7? 15, right? So here I have written it as 15. Now next, so 15 is greater than 6? Yes. So if any two sides you will take, it is greater than the third side. Now in the next example, I have taken length AB and length BC, that is 8 plus 6. So how much is 8 plus 6, children? It is 14. So 14 is greater than 7. The third side is 7. That is length AC which is remaining. So it is greater than the third side. So if you will take sum of any two length of any two sides of a triangle, it will be greater than the third side. This is the second property which we are learning today. Now the next example here I have taken is, I am adding length AC and length BC, that is 7 plus 6. That will come to 13 centimeter. So now which side is left? Length AB is left, that is 8 centimeter. So 13 is greater than 8. Hence we have proved this property that the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of third side. Okay, children? Is it clear to everyone? So the first property we studied is the sum of the measures of the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. You can only draw a triangle if the measures of the angles of triangle are 180 degree. And if the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Okay. So any two length if you will take, it will be greater than the third side. Then only you can able to draw a triangle. Understanding? Okay, children? Clear? Now let us solve the practice set 36. You have to observe the figures given below and write the types of triangles based on its angles. Can you see on the screen, children? Triangle PQR, and here in the angle Q, the measure is 90 degree, right? So this is which type of a triangle? It is right angle triangle. Angle Q is 90 degree. Next, triangle XYZ. The measure of an angle here is angle Y is 125 degree, which is more than, very good, 90 degree. So it is an obtuse angle triangle. Okay. So we had learnt in types of triangle that you remember, children? Good. Now next is triangle element. All three angles are acute, that is less than 90 degree. 48 degree, 70 degree and 62 degree. So this is which type of a triangle, children? This is an acute angle triangle. Okay. So your angle Q is 90 degrees, so it is right angle triangle. Your angle Y is more than 90 degrees, so it is an obtuse angle triangle. And here all the three sides are acute, that is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle triangle. Clear, children? Okay, next. Now observe the figures given below and write the types of triangles based on its sides. Now you can see the lines given on the triangle 1, 1 and 1. In triangle ABC, all 1 lines are there. So it is an equilateral triangle. This line indicates all 3 sides are equal. Now we'll see the next example, that is second sum. Triangle DEF, you can see one line, and then EF you can see 2 lines, and DF you can see 3 lines. All the lines are different. Here it is 1, DE is 1 line, EF is 2 lines, and DF is 3 lines. Means all they have 3 sides are different. They don't have equal sides. So when all sides are different, which type of triangle it is? Yes, triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. Understood, children? Now here they have measured 2 sides equal. Can you see 2 lines here, children? Triangle UVW, 2 sides they have given the same lines. Yes, so this is an isosceles triangle. When 2 sides are same and 1 side is different, we call it as isosceles triangle. When all the 3 sides are different, we call it as scalene triangle. And when all the sides are equal, we call it as an equilateral triangle. This we had learned in our previous class. Now let us do the third sum. As shown in the figure, you can see the figure on the screen, children. Avinash is standing near his house. This boy is standing near his house. His name is Avinash. He can choose from 2 roads to go to school. So he is having 2 roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? They are asking us which way is shorter for him to reach to school. We have to explain and give the reason. So in a triangle, you can see the triangle ABC. We'll use the second property which we have learnt now. The sum of 2 sides is always greater than the third side. Now with this property, we are going to solve this sum. Your road 1 is AB plus BC. This is road 1. I have written here on the screen. Road 1 is AB plus BC. This will take time for him to reach to school. And the second road is he can directly go from A to C. So here they are asking us which way is shorter. Yes, which way is shorter? Road AC is shorter. Why? Because AB plus BC, that is greater than AC. So we have used the second property of a triangle, that is the sum of 2 sides is always greater than the third side. Understood, children? Okay. Now we'll end up this session. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you, children. Sai Ram.